Okay, this version, so you can right-click the whole screen, the whole keyboard. So this is to put the patient information. You can have also save exams in the past by patient or by date or by doctor, by physician. All the saved examinations, basically to see the history. So this is the button. Okay, the exit. The image directory. You'll see all the images, all the two that we did today. You can copy to the floppy if you want. The floppy is on the back. It's a regular floppy in the back. It's very important to save the images. Exit. The image annotation is not available in this A800. It's an upgrade. Also, the special application is on the upgrade. Customize. Customize is very important. You can select all the workstation. You put the hospital name, and you can configure this auto swap. How often they save the screens. Network configuration. When you want to connect the system to the PAC systems. So very easy, just the IP address, the subnet mask, and the name of the station. The miscellaneous button, how to select the alarm, and the camera. Dicon. So here you're going to set up all the Dicon system in your facility. You use Dicon. So basically the server you're going to save the images. If you have it, this is the place that you configure all the Dicons. You can put until 10 Dicons. Team die. The Dicon print. You have Dicon print. Dicon printer. It's here where you configure the IP address, name, all the information for the Dicon printer if you have Dicon printer. There is the information for the patient information. So here you want to have like a session or comments to enable or disable or enable. What information do you want for patient? Right now we have everything on. And finally, security. If you want to change the password for the system or delete all the patient information, you can put the require a login or not. Right now it's password disabled, so you don't need password. The HAL button will see the main information for the system. It's an 8800 GSP, this machine. What is the software version and part number, and what is the hardware they have it. And this is the most important operation on the system.